Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and put these holes back here in the back. A couple things we need to take a look at. There's 6 holes. They're evenly spaced, and we can see because it says 30 degrees typical. So it means the gap between here is 30 degrees, and this window is 30 degrees on all of them all the way around. Also, it gives us this 15 degrees from this maybe x-axis right here. That we need that gap to be right here at the x-axis because we're on the other side of this drawing. We're going to put that little pin. Couple things that we need to pay attention to. The arc right here has a radius of 0.375 and the outside edge of the arc has a radius of 0.625. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and create a construction line here and then create these 2 lines for the window itself. And then we're going to go from there and then we'll just do a circular pattern. Alright, so I'm going to take my shape, I'm going to rotate it around here, I'm going to make a sketch on the back. I'm going to go ahead and make a construction line from the center all the way over to this edge. Okay, and I'm going to fix that construction line right here. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and make another line, but this time I don't want it to be a construction line. I'm going to make a line from here to here. Then I'm going to make a line from here to here. Okay, I'm going to dimension one of these lines, the 2 lines, I'm sorry, to be 30 degrees apart from each other. And I'm going to dimension this line down to here to be 15 degrees. So there it is, so it's set. Now what I need is I need that little arc, those arcs coming right here. So let's come back to our drawing, and the drawing says that the one arc is 0.375 and the other arc is 0.625. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a circle. I'm just going to go ahead and do an offset and grab this circle right here and pull it up and grab this circle and pull it out as well. And I'm going to dimension these. Now if you remember, the outer circle had an arc radius of 0.625, but this is a circle, so I need a diameter, so I'm going to do 0.625 times 2, which gives me my diameter. The inside circle had a radius of 0.375, and I'm going to multiply that by 2 since it's a diameter as well. And that's going to give me that little window that I need for cutting this out. So now we can come in here and we can go ahead and trim out all the junk that we don't need now, and create that little window that we're going to extrude. Alright, now I personally would rather extrude this opening first and then do my circular pattern around the outside. Or we could do a circular pattern on the window, but then you got to go and close all the loops. I think it's a lot easier this way. So I'm going to hit finish right here. So there's my little area that I'm going to extrude. Okay, so I'm going to hit extrude. I'm going to pick this region and I want to do a cut. And how far do I want to cut? I want to cut all of it. And I'm going to hit OK. So there's that little window that I need. Now I need 6 of these going around. So I'm going to go ahead and do a circular pattern. And I'm going to pick the extrusion that I just made. And for my rotational axis right here, I'm going to pick the center circle. Okay, and it wants 6 of them. And when I do that, it automatically sets them up at 30 degrees apart from each other. And there you have your holes going all the way through the way it's supposed to look, which would then look like this drawing right here. Now the next piece in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to put this little peg on here. Hope that helps.